All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got the MoyeWorks BalyComb right over here with me. I'm gonna check it out in a second. If you want to get this fella, you can check if it's still available on Fablades.com. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about this guy, because it's an interesting piece for sure. It comes with this hard case. It has some pluck and pick and pluck foam right over here. You can just do your preferred layout, sticker, the tool, some Loctite to take it apart and maintain it. Look at this, guys. This is a very interesting one. Just unlocks like so. It just locks on the way back like that. How cool is this? So let's go ahead with the measurements first. This is a nice little thing. Let's see how much is weighing, because this is a full titanium, well, except for the screws, 63 grams, zero point 0.7, which translates into 2.25 ounces, not too shabby. So it's very lightweight, and it's a BalyComb, so really well machined piece of titanium, blue anodized, some frag pattern going on over there, and you have an overall pretty good design. It feels really solid. It looks tactical. I don't know if you really need like a BalyComb or like a tactical comb, but here it is. This thing, I have to say, it's well made. I do not know how to operate any Bali song, because I don't usually collect them because they can't be collected. So this is an exception, because it's just a comb, so there's nothing sharp about this one. It's just a novelty in a way that is not a sharp tool whatsoever. There's like a fork variant too, nice jimping right over here if you need some jimping when you just, comb that stubborn hair. It could be also good for like the beard. The teeth are rounded off. They're not jagged or any way like sharp. So it's very rounded, well rounded. You have a little bit of finger choil right over here when you take advantage of this jimping in combing your hair. A nice swedge, like hollow grind kind of swedge on the top. Very nice. The pivot also, I believe, is like a T8 or something like that. You get a tip up carry only. Pocket clip, like so, it's just gonna be tip up carry. It's titanium, of course. I do believe it's not reversible. I don't believe you can mount it on this side, but I might be wrong, but doesn't look like. It looks like very different. So only that spot allows for the pocket clip to be mounted. You have a bottle opener right over here, so it's pretty handy, which is embedded into the lock, in the latch for the handles, and you just unlock it like doing so. So there's some jimping right over here, and you want to lock it, you take advantage of the jimping on the top side, and boom, and this is locked in place. So you get that function, you get the comb function, and also you get like a nice little ceramic ball right there, because it could be useful in an emergency situation if you need to break a glass. So you also have that option. You have this couple pins, which are for the closed position and the open position right there, the stop pin right there. And I mean, overall, this thing is pretty cool. It's not that big. Overall length, let me check with this, is 15 centimeters. So you have a comb length of 6 centimeters and a handle length of 8.5 centimeters. So it's very compact, is very light, is the perfect camping comb, which embeds also like a bottle opener and a glass breaker. It's very light and compact. It looks pretty cool. You have to admit that. It's actually probably the coolest comb, BalyComb looking good, you know, most good-looking BalyComb on the market right now. I don't know. Let me know if there's something nicer than that, because this is a pretty cool one. And also, it comes in a fork package. There's also like a cutter, but you know that's cutting, so we're not gonna even consider that. This is a fun one to play with. I wish I could do some of those neat tricks, but I really can't. So I'm just gonna leave it to the pros. Here is Fab reporting with you for the MoyeWorks BalyComb. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.